Hello, Miss Keenan's team again today. We are looking at equations in our maths lesson today. So it is the 22nd of April 2020, so that's how you would write the date in number form, remember? And today we are learning to find the value of groups. Now again, your challenges, so you've got 3-star challenges. Your first star, I can compare amounts which are equal using the equal sign there. I can compare amounts to find equal and not equal using those two signs. That's your 2-star challenge. And your 3-star challenge, I can compare amounts to identify which are greater or smaller than. And that's using those symbols down there, which we'll learn more about today. Okay, so if you're doing the 1-star challenge today, you will need to know this sign, which most of you will be familiar with already for when you do sums, okay? Now this is the equal sign, okay? Now here are some examples. So 4 dots equals the number 4. 6 dots and 6 dots equal each other, they are the same. And 7 equals 7 dots. So your equal sign shows when something is the same as. So they're equal on both sides, so that's the same as that one. They're the same as that one, and that one's the same as that one. For those of you who are doing the 2-star challenge, you will need to know equal and not equal. Okay, so the equal sign we've just talked about before, and the not equal sign is the equal sign with a line through it, the not equal sign. And here are some examples as well. Your 5 dots equals 5, you know that that's the same. 5 and 5 is the same, so you have the equal sign in the middle. Now when they don't equal the same, you have like this. 6 does not equal 4, so you put the not equal sign. And your 6 dots does not equal 4 dots, so you have the not equal sign too. For the 3-star challenge, you will need to remember these signs, greater than and less than signs. You use them to show when a number is bigger or smaller than the other. So for example here, 10 is bigger than 5, so we use that sign. 50 is greater than 12, so we use that sign. Now you will see from this example here and this example here that these signs always go towards the bigger number. So this is where our crocodiles come in. Now imagine you are a crocodile, and crocodiles are very hungry, and the crocodile wants to eat the biggest number all the time. So we are going to pretend that these signs here and here are crocodile mouths. Now, if we have the number 10 and the number 5, you can see that the sign, if it looked like a crocodile's mouth, is eating the number 10 because the number 10 is much bigger. The same on this side. The 50 and the 12, the 50 is greater than, it's bigger than the 12. So the crocodile wants to eat it that way this time. So we're using this crocodile mouth and this sign. For those of you who are doing the 1-star challenge today, we are looking at the equal sign, and we are looking at when groups of things are equal to each other. So I have 2 groups here of stacking blocks. I have 3 on this side and 4 on this side. Do we think that they are equal? Are they the same as each other? That's right, they're not the same as each other. There is more in this group than this group. So we can't use that equal sign. We can't use the equal sign in the middle to say that they are equal. However, if I add another block in, that makes them equal. So we can put the equal sign in the middle of them. Like that. 4 on one side and 4 on the other. Here we have butterflies in each side, and count the butterflies in your head. So that is 1, 2, 3 in that set, and 1, 2, 3 in that set. So if there's 3 on each side, then they are equal. They are the same. So we can use the equal sign in the middle to say that they are the same. Just like that. Here are some examples for you to try. I've got 6 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions. And each question has 2 circles in it. and you need to see if they are the same. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 dots and 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. So they are the same. So they are equaled. So they equal the same. So we need to put the equal sign in between them. Now pause this video and have a go at the other questions yourself and see which other ones are the same. Here are the answers. You can see that number 1, number 3, number 4 and number 6 are all equal. Number 2 and number 3 were not equal because there are 3 here and 2 there, so they're not the same. And there's 3 here and 2 there, so they're not the same either. Now I would like you to have a go at making your own ones up. You can go outside in the garden and make things that are equal and not equal. It is up to you how you do it. You can draw pictures of things that are the same. Just make sure that you use that equal sign to show everybody that you know that things are the same. If you are trying the 2-star challenge today, you are trying to compare amounts using the equals and the not equals sign. So we have 2 different amounts in front of us, and if we want to tell somebody whether we know they're equal or not equal, we need to use those signs. So we have got 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks there and 1, 2, 3 blocks there. Are they the same as each other? Are they equal? I'll let you have a minute to think. You are right. They are not equal. We have got 1, 2, 3, 4 here and 3 there. So they are not the same. So which sign do you think we need to use? The equal sign or the not equal sign? That's right. We need to use the not equal sign. Okay, so we would put the not equal sign in the middle. Now, if we added another one to this side, would it now be equal? Yes, it would. So would we use this sign or this sign, the not equal sign or the equal sign? That's right, we need to change the sign. So we need to change the sign to the equal sign. And now that equation makes sense. We both have 4 on each side. So even though the blocks aren't arranged the same, they still equal the same amount. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 4 on each side. Here are some activities for the 2-star group to do today. So question 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4 dots and 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. So do we need to use the equal sign, that they are the same, or do we need to use the not equal sign? I'll give you 5 seconds to think about it. That's right, they are the same. So even though they are not arranged the same, they still equal the same amount. There is still the same amount of dots there. There are still 4 dots here and 4 dots there, even though they're not arranged the same. Now, you need to pause this now to have a go at the other ones yourself. So question 2 is here, question 3, question 4, question 5 and question 6. Here are the answers for you. You can make sure that you got them right. And now you can have a listen to the 3-star group. So even if you don't want to have a go at the 3-star activity, you can still have a listen and have a think about what the 3-star group are doing today. And then at the end of the video, I'll be able to tell you your task for today. Okay, so my 3-star challengers. We have got greater or less than. Okay, so we are looking at these signs again. This sign and this sign. Now to help us understand what these signs mean, we are going to use the crocodiles. So we have crocodile here and a crocodile here. And I will put the signs on top just to help us out. Now, remember before I said the crocodile always wants to eat the bigger one, okay? We have got 3 stacking blocks here and 1, 2, 3, 4 stacking blocks there. Which one is the biggest? Which one is greater than? Give you a wee minute to think. Yep, that's right. This one is greater than. 4 is greater than 3. So, which crocodile are we going to use? Are we going to use this one? Who's going to eat this? The number 3? Or this one that's going to eat these, the 4 blocks? That's right, we are going to use this crocodile. And this crocodile is going to eat that one. Okay, so that means we would use this sign. 4 is greater than 3. This sign is going to eat that. Here are some examples for you. So we have 6 questions for you to try and do. Now I'm going to do the first one with you, and then I'm going to go through the questions, and then you can pause it and you can have a go at doing them yourself before I show you the answers. So we have got 8 and 4. We need to see which one is greater than. Now remember, the crocodile eats the bigger one, so it would go this way. Okay? So that is 8 is bigger than 4. It's greater than 4. So you need to make sure the sign goes that way to make it greater than. Okay, your next question is, which is greater than or less than? Is it 9 and 15? Then we've got 22 and 94. 10 take away 2 and 9 take away 3. 20 add 19 and 50 and 1. And 7 times 2 and 9 times by 3. So make sure you give this a wee pause now and have a go at it, please. Okay, so here are the answers. Have a check and see if you got them right or not. You can pause the video again for this. Okay, so well done those on the 3-star challenge. Now I'm going to go through what everybody's activities are today. So for 1-star, 2-star and 3-star, I would like you to do your own version of these. Okay, you can do it written down on a piece of paper. You can use things in your garden, you can use Play-Doh, blocks, you can paint, you can use Lego, you can do whatever you want, as long as you can show me that you are using, if you're doing the 1-star challenge, the equal sign, so you can show me things that are equal. You are doing the 2-star challenge, you can show me things that are equal or not equal, and you're using those signs. And if you're doing 3-star challenge, you can use the greater than and less than signs as well. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I'm looking forward to seeing all of your work. Well done for everything that you've done so far. You're superstars.